little Velcro that comes with all of these, that, you know, to tie your wig basically. So if you are interested in more details and specs about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. So easy, so comfortable, ready to go. And look at that, you get 1, 2. So you get 2 more. If you want to change this, we put this on the back, like you would like. And how easy was that, guys? So easy and quick. And remember, my hair is in long and lonely. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like, share, subscribe, turn that notification bell on so you know whenever I post. And comment down below what you think. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be my go-to hair. Oh my gosh. Isn't this cute, guys? Remember, go check them out. It's very cheap, very affordable. Like this is just $60-something, and the blue or the green wig I had, it was like $90 or $100, guys. So they have very reasonable hair. I used to spend like $800-900 in hair. But now, I'm like, why wasting all that money when I'm just going to wear it once? Right?